Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today's video contains top 5 clothes rack that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5, the Uleaf E1 Heavy Duty Clothes Rack by Uleaf is a reliable and sturdy solution for organizing your coats and other clothing items. Made from carbon steel, this clothes rack is built to last and support heavy loads. The white color adds a clean and modern touch to any space. With dimensions of 14 inches in diameter, 86.6 inches in width, and 71.4 inches in height, this clothes rack provides ample space for hanging coats, jackets, and other garments without taking up a lot of floor space. Its heavy-duty construction ensures stability even when fully loaded. Whether you are looking to add extra storage in your entryway, bedroom, or closet, the Uleaf E1 Heavy-Duty Clothes Rack offers a practical and stylish solution. Its sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor while providing a functional storage.
Number 4, the Vipec V5 Portable Closet Wardrobe Heavy-Duty Clothes Rack is a sleek and sturdy storage solution designed by Vipec. With a clean white color and durable metal construction, this freestanding clothing rack is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Measuring 76.4 inches in depth, 68.9 inches in width, and 15.7 inches in height, this wardrobe provides ample space for storing coats, shoes, and other items. Its heavy-duty design ensures stability and durability, making it suitable for everyday use. The Vipec V5 Portable Closet Wardrobe is easy to assemble with no tools required, allowing for quick and hassle-free setup. The well-thought-out design offers practical storage options while maintaining a modern and minimalist look that can complement any room decor. Overall, this clothing rack from Vipec is a versatile and reliable storage solution that combines style and functionality. Whether you need extra storage space for your clothes, coats, or shoes.
Number 3. The Hoe Keeper. Double Clothing Garment Rack is a versatile and durable storage solution for anyone in need of extra space for hanging coats or garments. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel material and finished in an elegant chrome color, this garment rack not only provides functionality, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any space. Measuring at 40.55 inches in depth, 22.05 inches in width, and 75.98 inches in height, this rack offers ample space for hanging coats or other clothing items without taking up too much floor space. Whether you are looking to organize coats in a home entryway, display clothing in a retail setting, or simply need extra hanging space, the Hoe Keeper Double Clothing Garment Rack is a reliable and stylish solution for all your needs.
Number 2, the Hoe Keeper Clothing Garment Rack is an exemplary solution for organizing and displaying coats in various settings. Crafted by Hoe Keeper, known for producing high-quality storage solutions, this garment rack is both durable and functional. The sleek chrome color and stainless steel material give it a sophisticated look that complements any space. Measuring at 50.99 inches in depth, 22 inches in width, and 66 inches in height, this garment rack offers ample space for hanging coats efficiently. The sturdy construction of stainless steel ensures stability, making it suitable for both home and commercial use. The minimalist design adds a touch of elegance to any room while remaining practical and versatile. Whether you need additional clothing storage in your home, office, or retail space, the Hoe Keeper Clothing Garment Rack is a reliable choice. Its sleek design, sturdy build, and generous dimensions make it an ideal solution for keeping coats organized and easily accessible.
Number 1. This RoomTech Portable Closet. Heavy-duty clothes rack is a versatile storage solution that combines functionality with durability. Made from high-quality iron, this closet rack is designed to withstand heavy use while providing ample space for organizing your coats, shoes, and hats. With dimensions measuring 70.79 inches in depth, 76.72 inches in width, and 15.09 inches in height, this closet rack offers plenty of room to hang and store various items. The black color adds a sleek and modern touch to any room decor, making it a practical and stylish addition to your space. Whether you need extra storage for your seasonal clothing, a place to keep your shoes orderly, or a spot to hang your hats, this RoomTech portable closet has you covered. Its heavy-duty construction ensures stability and longevity, making it suitable for everyday use. Overall, the RoomTech Portable Closet Heavy-Duty Clothes Rack is a reliable and practical storage solution that suits various needs. Its sturdy build,